Mara. Amara. Cute guys.
What's that sound? Stop, bird! Stop, bird! Don't do that, bird!
I-stop na ba? Kuya, hindi na.
Okay.
Scared ako, scared.
Sabog ka mama na.
Lahat, look. La, picturean ti ka ba? Dali.
What's your bird?
Gidkon sa gidong. Say hi, bird.
Hi, bird. Hi, bird. My name is Mara, bird. So what's bird ni mo?
Watch bird ni mo.
Hi, bird.
Lipaya sa bata na mo. Lola, Baby, are you happy? Naradi ay. Baby.
Bye-bye, bird. Bye-bye, everyone. Bye-bye, bird. Really. Bye-bye, bird. We will come back soon once I get bigger. Hate ka sa lion?
What sound like? Can you roar like a lion?
See that global trauma is in motion?
Maria, kapten mo.
Remember to keep a secure home ng rappers and avoid using flash photography. Lastly, do not try to extend your fingers outside the trap. So here inside we have 3 white lions that will feed and raise under human care from France. There are
Tako, ikaw sa kalungkot. Wow, big lion, Laura.
okay, here's our white lion picture. You guys stand up this side. Stand up this side, make sure to take pictures po. Lions are nocturnal animals, which means they're more active at night than day. And they can rest, sleep, or sit 20 hours a day.
Point lion. Where lion? Can you point the lion?
To 81 kilometers per hour.
Mara,
Show face mo na roar like a lion.
lion? Where lion? Where?
Yeah.
Lion, no?
Lions are the second largest big cats next to tiger.
Go, Papa. Silly face, Papa.
Pusing. Pernah lubang silin lo. Kita korba para bawang silin. Mau ni bawa yun.
Can you say camel? Camel. Yum. Camel.
Asa mo ng birds na dito? Camel and birds mo kanina.
Mara.
Flamingo ba?
Where?
Can you point flamingo? Flamingo? Where?
Can you point the bird flamingo, baby? The pink bird flamingo. Lagi? Where bird, baby?
What's that sound? Mara, can you?
Mara. Hi.
We will be entering to another bird cage.
Asa?
The big bird ito mo.
Where?
Ano ito eh? Ikihang.
Dito ba? Is that an eagle?
Right siya lang eh.
Kuhaan nila ang mga eagle ba? Mga kuhaan nila.
Ah, look. Eagle oy.
Eagle gani. Hi. Say hi.
Uy, big bird. Hi, big bird. Hi, big bird. Uy, wala. Talawon. One over there. Wow.
Give na Mara sa bird, Papa.
You take a bird today? No.
Smile. Ano yung matang ikuan ba?
Walay.
Mara, dali. What's that? What's that? It's a bird. Ay.
Muna
What
ka, Fred.
the-
Dito sa iguanap.
Oh, you.
Pati sa lawan na. Sa lawan na. Sabi.
Ay, ka pag birthday. Rafa.
Kuya, tara kuya.
Yeah, Papa. Buang ka, Ju. Sabi ko si Ju. Ay, sorry. Bats. Ali, dili Bats.
Come here, bird. Oh, sige niyo pa ako ng bird.
Abi na ko, ikaw man. Alam mo ko si Kuya eh.
Dali, bird. Sige pa ako ng bird.
Pakot pa ka na niya una. Ay, picture Bats.
I mean, what?
Look here. Smile.
Yeah, baby, ah?
Smile.
Ito natin. Bird. Hi, bird. Is that a bird, baby? Do you want to touch bird? You can touch bird.
Mama lang, baby. Look a bird. Look the bird.
Oh, no, fly.
Wow, fish.
Sure, Evans.
Mara, smile.
Mama, smile. Mama, fish. Look, Mama, fish.
Smile.
Napapalawat pa ko. Katalawan na rin matama mo eh. Nagawa na lang mo eh. Sabi na, di ka kabot. Nabot ka lang. What sound, bird? What sound? Ano?
Kita sa puti.
Lugay kay Sweeney ay.
Let's go na. Go away.
Baby, are you happy? Where my baby?
Wala. Bahawa na. Ladybug. Ladybug. Ladybug.
Bye-bye na birds. Bye-bye birds.
Bye-bye, Camel. Bye-bye, Camel.
Bye-bye camel. Bye-bye camel.
Sa daily pala, 50 kilograms. Animals that died for the safety purposes of actually here under the throat and water back relay uncovered to escape predators, and they can reach speeds of 50 kilometers. So So the fun fact of the water buck, the older they get, the stinker they become. The stinker they become, they are more attracted to female water buck.
Ano ka na? Gikan ko no?
Both size and weight, they can stand over 5 feet tall to shoulder and weigh around 400 to 1,000 kilograms. Both males and females have these impressive horns, so they can use for defense and dominance display.
Nakita ko sa dalang unsa.
So that is blue wildebeest. Blue wildebeest are its name of lotion on its coat and characterized by a long black mane and a neck bird. So remember the stampede in the Lion King? When Mufasa fell off the mountain, blue wildebeest is part of that scene.
Artista din na sila ba?
Zebra! There's more zebra!
Zebra baby!
Wow, zebra!
So this cute one is Tanzan's gazelle. They are the cutest as well as an antelope in savannah. They are also known as the fast runner and they can reach speed of 50 miles per hour. That one is glassback, recognized by the small white markings on their faces, named after the Dutch term place referring to the white forehead. So they have built in sunscreen to protect you from the sun. And that one is Jamsbach or oryx gazelle, also called as king of Kalahari Desert, and they are also known for their impressive horns that can grow 85 centimeter long. Hello!
Isyung kita na ko ba? Tapis ka.
So that's we call African savanna because all animals here originate from Africa, born and raised from Himalaya, USA, and Belgium.
Say hi. Maray,
No, mama, uy.
nagugut ako. Mara, give na. Give na Mara crocodile, papa.
No, lagi na. Ayaw ko hilak. Crocodile.
Give na Mara crocodile.
How big is the crocodile? How big? Juno. No, nagiboy. Papa lang. Papa, Mara mine. No, crocodile. Stop.
Mara, look. Ah! Mara 2. I-fold Mara 2. Mara, you wanna go inside? No. Ibit juice. Crocodile. Ganaan ka mo feed bats?
Dali.
Siya din rin ako ano.
Ubus. Ano mo ka?
Isa sa Daisy.
Di ako di.
Sabi.
Crocodile. Dali, baby. Gusto ba kayo magdako mga
Eh,
robot?
ako rin kukusan eh. Ayan na ra.
Feed na. Feed na na. Feed na pagkabal.
Here you go. Ato dito yung pizza katungkuan ba?
Which one?
Kato. Kanan mo may saba kaayo.
Wala, kaya nga daman na siya. Oh.
Wow! Tawad sa raglat. Ato yung smile ah. Video mo ni. Lagi.
Kali siya may matingo kali.
Ito may pinakadako dito lang, no?
Tanawan na ginamala dito.
Oh, ready na lang.
Wala kita ko.
So, kwarta na hatag na sila, palit no.
Kiss lang.
That?
Papa, what's yan? Ay, kaya nagkuha siya turtle, yun eh. Sa ko.
Bibi, what's that?
Sa pa. Okay.
Tata!
Bagay na tati.
Mabay, tata.
Baon na, baon na, no?
Basta na yung tubig.
Ano lang, head papa, food, head. Katalawag, isugay ka sa tanong. Gigil ka sa tanong. Ay, bunas, kid papa. Oo, bunas, kid papa, dito. Gusto mo na, Mara? Ano siguro ay talawan ayaw ka, oy.
Say bye-bye, Turtle Big.
Babay na turtle, babay na turtle.
Say bye-bye.
Ni Miming na, big na Miming. Sweet are you, Miming, oh? Sana all. Inamara, sana all.
Ganahan siya tanaw. Sige. Picture siya.
Yes. What is it? Ha?
Ano tawag ka, Dodong? Issues ka sweet naman.
Dihayon sila no. Mr. Mrs.
Puro laki lang, eh.
Mrs.
Parang na bromance.
Bye, Derek.
Lambot. Uy. Tingin ka may luming. 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 Medyo pakimods.
Ako sa Bing.
Di, oo, maki. Oo, Medyo yun, marabot ka. Oo, saan maki?
What sound monkey? What sound monkey? Sabi ko pag nang-unggoy siya sa naram lagi lakaw lagi ni oh. Na saka ta no ni relax ra. Na let's go na. Na, up tawa mi bin. Sugar.
Ano siya ka na?
Paano sa klase na? Na let's go na, let's go na.
Sabi ka, sabi ka na. But baby, let's go.
Ay, straight raman.
giraffe. Say hi, giraffe.
Hi, giraffe. Call giraffe, call. Mara, call giraffe.
0.5 vibes.
Hold on, 0.5.
Mas cute oh. Dance, dance, giraffe.
Dance, giraffe, dance.
Dance, giraffe,
Dance,
dance,
dance, dance, dance, dance, dance, dance.
dance, 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 giraffe, giraffe, dance, dance, dance.
Ilan ko rin mga taga.
Perfect na sila, perfect na sila.
Perfect na lagi yan sa exam.
Mara, smile here, Mala. Shh, Mara.
Smile, Papa B. Look, Papa B, smile. Look, Papa, please. Look, Papa. Look, Papa, smile. Posing, Papa, please.
Give the giraffe na. Give the
Posing, Papa,
giraffe.
posing.
Yeah, it's karon talawat ka. Karon na
Posing,
yun.
Papa, posing.
Pusing sa giraffe. Give pusing giraffe. Give pusing di yun.
Giraffe, posing, giraffe. Picture ko, Bats. Ali, come here, come here.
Amo ti asawa Mads na nasa baba. Number 2 na. Di ba mga 0.5 ba? Layo kang 0.5. Ito lang, dagdagan nga ang masaon na lagi lang. Gangsa, suki man labok.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Cebu Safari and Adventure Park proudly presents the Bird Show. Introducing our host for today, Mr. KJ.
Hi, mabuhay, and good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Cebu Safari and Adventure Park. Once again, my name is DJ, and I'm your host for the day. For the ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome our umbrella kagatunay, Sophie. My best friend, I guess Sophie here has something to tell us. Buddy, just take your time. There's no need to rush. She's still busy eating, guys. Ready? Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Cebu Safari's Bird Show. Now everyone, hi! Oh, where's the full energy? Again, hi! Hello! And now, are you guys ready? And so, to make sure you're all set and ready, how about in a count of 3, I want to hear the loudest roar of a lion. In 1,
Lion, lion, roar!
Good
Roar!
job, everyone. Now, did you see our group of pigeons? Well, thinking of the pigeons can replace us and can find their way back home, no matter how far they will go. That's what they use as messengers to carry out messages to our friends, families, and loved ones. Now, ladies and gentlemen, please sit back, relax, and also enjoy as our fine feathered friends will showcase their natural behaviors. We invite guests. Somi, who comes from South America and lives in the rainforest of Brazil. As he is a very responsible bird, he loves to keep his environment clean. We have here two sample trash bins labeled as biodegradable and non-biodegradable. We also have here some sample trash. Let's have a sample trash, and let's see how Amigo clean up this mess. Okay, but Amigo, first trash. A plastic bottle. Okay, go ahead, buddy. Walks all the way, open the non-biodegradable bin, and he jumps inside. Good bird. Next trash. A paper box. Walks all the way. Now open the biodegradable bin, and he jumps inside. Two trash. And that's paper cup. Walks all the way. Open the same bin, and again, he jumps inside. The last one, a plastic bottle. Okay, walks all the way. Open the non-biodegradable bin, and he jumps inside. Good bird, amigo. Now see if the bird can do it, why can we, right? So always remember to put trash inside the trash bins. As the saying goes, cleanliness is next to bird. But I need your help to call him. Can you say Jumbo? Now everyone, say it louder. Say Jumbo. Okay, there you are, buddy. Now here's our green-winged Marconi, Jumbo. So hi, Jumbo, buddy. Good afternoon. And there are 400 biggest parrots in the world.
Bird.
Around is the third largest parrot globally. Scarlet macaw ranks as the fourth largest parrot, and our green-winged macaw rank as the second largest parrot in the world. And these birds have a very strong beak that easily cracks nuts and seeds with impressive bite force of 500 to 700 psi. PSI means pounds per square inch.
Oh, Chuyo.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, let's give a massive round of applause to our flying macaw. And first, connect the surroundings before picking up the first stone. Go ahead, buddy. Okay, so to rush, just take your time. First stone walks all the way. What's next, buddy? Oh, don't look at them. And what's next? And he jumped inside. Good bird. So each stone pushes the water higher until he successfully retrieve the nut from the glass tube. And okay, 3 to 1. And again, jump inside. Now, ladies and gentlemen, for this moment, I need 2 adult volunteers. Okay, so 3 adult volunteers. Now stand still, don't make X movement, try to relax.
Tan Omara.
So there's some
Watch bird, watch bird.
Receive the ball. Now, everyone, do you want to see it again one more time? I can see you guys again. Do you want to see it again one more time? Okay, so Carl and Mac, let's do it again one more time. We have some celebrants here today. What will we do next?
Sing it with.
Okay, last one. Now see how talented parrots are. They can mimic sounds one place to another to reach their destination. So that's your national. Seated and relax as you welcome our Eastern grass outing. Bella. Now Eastern grass owl we're in a nocturnal type of bird. Most often when the time is during the night time. Did you know when they're flying to almost sun, it doesn't because of their special fire sounds and they're quietly in the night, making them the silent stalkers or silent hunters of the night. Just like any other owls, they rotate their heads about 270 degrees. And yes, that is possible because this bird has a 14-leg vertebrae, allowing them to spot a prey and be aware of its surroundings without even moving its whole body. They're also called here in the Philippines as a guago. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let's give a massive round of applause to our beautiful grass owl named Bella. Now, ladies and gentlemen, for our next vertebrate, they're experts at snatching food from other birds, even in mid-air. Once again, please remain seated and do not try to reach out or touch these birds as they will now fly closer and even closer to you guys. Please supervise your kids at all times and please avoid standing, walking, or running during these acts. Again, they have very powerful, sharp talons and claws, and they will fly closer and even closer to you. Okay, now all set and ready. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together towards nutshell parade flight. Our prominent kite's name, Shadow. And wait, there's more. Ladies and gentlemen, meet our next prominent kite named Argus. And ladies and gentlemen, meet our third prominent kite named Cloud. So if everyone safe in comfort, please supervise your kids at all times. The sail they will fly closer and even closer to you guys. So Roman kite has a wide foundation of its head down to 20 parts, and the rest of its colors is what we call the striped chestnut brown. Again, everyone, please supervise your kids at all times. They will fly closer and even closer to you. They have very powerful sharp talons and claws. So Roman kites in the world is not just like
Struggle is real. Meow. Meow. What's a monkey? What's a monkey, baby? Wow, what's a monkey? Amara.
May na, no? Hindi pa sila puro.
Bats.
Ang bahay siguro nagkakulubot na, no? Di mo naman ito gagawin lang.
Yes, hangin na.
Video mo ba? Mga kami pina, let's go.
Nah, nindot ang lighting yan. Picture teka din.
Carnivore. Ano, no?
Nag-milk sila.
Amara, can you say hi? Snow, no tap the glass.
But they're so cute. They're just dangerous.
Mara, no.
Say hi, Bis. Mara, come here.
Picture ya, Mara, Bi. Dali.
Hali.
Hurry up.
Asa man?
Dali. Mabaw ka. May Mr. Swan. Picture ka. Picture ya. Mara. Picture sama Mara. Bumigay ka.
Thank you. You're welcome, baby. Bats, picture ko diri be kay init-init. Maklaro ko na. Hi. Hey, Lala.
Dahil ba ka na makuha, no? Afraid sila?
Hi, Amara.
parrot mo ako.
Ah!
Talawan.
No, Papa.
Katarawan mo.
Pagbantay lang.
Katarawan mo. Babay lang, Birds. Babay, Birds.
Capybara!
Awas sa capybara na.
Capybara! What's that? Can you sing capybara?
Capybara? Dili loy.
Capybara!
Capybara lahi po tong vet, lahi sungay. Oh, tena.
Saan siya?
Lama na siya, ma'am.
Ah, lama. Happy lama, sad lama, mentally disturbed lama, super lama, drama lama, big fat lama. Oh, kapansin. Asa? Ay, oo. Happy ka dating mas.
Ano man?
Great area. Lola. Great area. I'm so God. Hindi kira pag magaling. Hi, Mara. It's so hot here. Like, thanks to me, I'm just this hot here.
Bono na dapat?
No?
Saan sa dire?
How could you say that?
Unggoy? Ay, mao din ganing na bot itong nagian na to ba? Monkey.
Babae ang usa.
Why na gusto?
Kuha tayo sa... Wild pig, gano'n na sila good.
Stop! Nauwi sa ilaw sa dubo. Motor siguro na. Stop. Suwi utang ulang.
Fighten. Oy, sis.
Mana sabi sih? Apa di sana sih? Kenapa yang bukan dulu? Nah, Ara, come here. Watch a snake. Lee. Watch a snake now. Wow, big snake.
Inspection ng job nila kadadlaw na.
Lawan siya nila karadlang. Roar. Son, how to roar like a tiger? Roar like a tiger. Ang sana naman naman nina. Roar like a tiger, please. Wow. Come here, Marla. Wala dito ko, deliver. So scary.
Ay, kapulang yung tiger. Ang tiyan.
Dali, go. Karon pa na siya ni Gawa.
Tak na bilbil na tiger, no?
Say hi, tiger. Say hi, tiger. Can you roar like a tiger, baby? Roar like a tiger, please.
Tawag ito kung abot ito. Awang tiin.
Magin, no?
Tinamitan eh. Suway ko nito. Ang ito. Katawag ka kayo.
Mara, say hi to my vlog. Can you say hi, vlog? Zero. Yeah, we are done. See, baby, all done. Can you dance? All done? Ano mo sa nila, baby?
Let's go booty booty bum bum. Let's go body body bum bum. Dance baby.
Dance, all done, please.
Go, all done, all done.
Babad sa motor pa, squabat.
All done, all done, all done, all done.
Ayun ka, Jomar.
It's good. Bye everyone.
Bye, everyone.
Napa may
See you
dito sa
next
tong-
year. Mwah.
Napa may dito bots katong safari ako ano yun.
Mara, can you say, see you next year? Louder. Kusga. Yeah. See you next year.
Bots. Wala deh, mayura.
Hikuha juga. Say, Ina, say, see you next year. Kusga.
Louder, louder. See you next year.
Smile, pretty face.
Pusing.
Pretty face, pusing. Ayaw ko si face.
Tara na.
Ikaw lang, Ina. See you next year. Saan?
See you next year.